Where the hell was Big Play Slay today? Told y'all they wasn't going to win all the division games. Told y'all Jalen Hurts wasn't ready for the big time. He threw 3 stupid-ass interceptions. Tried to tell y'all the head coach was a puppet. Why he throw the ball so often in a close game? Makes no sense. Makes no sense at all. Y'all was running the ball great for 3 weeks. Why throw all those passes? And why the hell throw it to Jalen Reagor? What has he ever done to deserve 7 targets? Except drop the game-winning touchdown pass. Ain't he Howie's last year first-round pick? Unbelievable. Meanwhile, the guy he should have picked, Justin Jefferson, is just on his way to another 1,000-yard season up in Minnesota. Like I said before, I don't even know why I was tripping. Ain't no way this team is making the playoffs. No way. Sadly, unless Howie gets fired, he'll be back next year to fuck up the draft again. What, you ain't got nothing to say? Told you I was gonna get my money back. Mwah.